Good afternoon. Welcome to Daily Currency Update from the Currency Desk. On the first trading session of the week, that is on Monday, we witnessed some appreciation in the value of Indian rupee. This rally was mainly based on the fact that we had some rally in the value of euro as well. Now this rally in the euro was based on the fact that we are contemplating an emergency loan package to be announced to the Greece, which is another troubled economy in the eurozone, and that package is worth around 44 billion euros. So if that package is announced, we might see some appreciation in the euro today as well. But yes, again there are factors that are capping the gain of our local domestic currency, that is the rupee. In the morning we have had the news of Moody's rating agency degrading the top-notch rating, that is the AAA rating, for the France economy. This is a major blow for them as well. On the other hand, we have the US fiscal cliff issue, which is expected to be on the verge of being resolved. We expect the government to come to some sort of consensus and some mild implementation of fiscal cliff measures on a stage-by-stage basis. So on basis of these hopes, yesterday we had the overnight US equity markets rallying. Again in the morning session we had the Asian equities rallying. So based on this, we can again expect the Indian rupee to appreciate today against the US dollar. But yes, currently the range is expected to be 54.80 to 55.10, and all the gains for the Indian rupee would be limited as we could see some hike in the crude oil prices. This hike is mainly based on the fact that we have some political tensions or war-like situation arriving between Gaza and Israel. In terms of euro, as said earlier, we have the Greece loan package to be announced today. But yes, this is also subject to certain terms and conditions which the Greece has to implement, and Greece has to show the willingness to implement all these measures. Unless that is done, this loan would not be given. But yes, on the negative side, we have some negative developments also in the eurozone. First of which was the record high bad loans from the Spanish economy. We have around 10.7% of the total portfolio in the Spanish banks, which is now being termed as bad loans. This is the lifetime high of bad loans for the Spanish banks, and this is another addition on the constantly deteriorating situation in the Spanish economy. Earlier we had the jobless rate reaching up to 25%, which is at a very high level, and we had the housing market crisis in the Spanish economy. Now adding to this is the bad loans data. Today, all in all, we can expect the euro to remain strong on a temporary basis if the Greece package is announced. But yes, in the longer run, we can see the euro depreciating against the USD as well as the Indian rupee. At current levels, we recommend a sell below 70.10 in the spot. The pound there is no major data today or this week, so we can expect the pound to all in all remain in line with the euro. So it is also expected to go down at current levels. Against the Indian rupee, we recommend a hold short at current levels, since it is coming down from the recent highs that it has made. But we recommend to hold a short with a stop loss of 87.50 in the spot. The Bank of Japan today announced its monetary policy, in which it kept the key rates unchanged. This was as per expectations. In the recent days, we have seen a lot of rally in the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So all in all, the Japanese yen value is falling. This is mainly being attributed to the fact that there is going to be a change of government in the Japanese economy. This change of government is also expected to bring in a record high of quantitative easing. So based on these levels, we had some weakening in the Japanese yen. But yes, since the weakening has been constant, and we have seen large fall in the value of Japanese yen, we can expect that in the coming days some of the losses will be covered. That is some retracement in the value of Japanese yen. Also, we have some positive data from the US front, which is also going to support the US dollar and keep the strength in the US dollar constant. Hence, at the current levels, we recommend a buy only above 67.91 levels in the spot. Thank you.